Let's go. Let's go. This can't be real. Y'all really, this can't be real, bro. This can't be real.
For you.
But you got dreads.
Yeah, I'm a nigga, man.
What?
Wow, I'm real nigga.
You a nigga?
Yeah.
Where you from?
From America.
No, you not.
Yeah, Los Angeles Lakers.
Come on, ladies, here. Sir, here.
He ain't a nigga. Where my seat at? Oh my. This can't be real. So y'all booked the same. Y'all booked the same train as me.
Yeah. Bro, show respect. I changed the jersey.
And you changed your jersey.
Yeah, Drew Bellingham.
Bro, this shit is crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Y'all booked the same. Like, what in this stream snipe is this, bro? Yeah. Like, all of y'all gotta be the most. Like, this is the most crazy stream sniping shit I've ever seen.
This is the. We bought the expensive one. We think you will be the most expensive one.
Guys, can you move down, yo?
Hey, get that dude with the dreads to come here. Tell that dude with the dreads, come here. Bro. Where is you from, bro?
From California, man. Los Angeles Lakers.
These are real dreads.
Yeah, this real. This real.
Damn.
I have a gift for you, man.
What you got to give for me, bro?
I'm from Xinjiang. You go to Xinjiang?
You just say you from LA, now you from Xinjiang.
I'm mixture, you know, just like hey.
Oh, so you blazing?
Yeah, I'm blazing.
Oh.
I have now. Now, just like Xinjiang burger.
The fuck
Xinjiang
is
burger.
this?
Xinjiang. Smuggle this shit. 爱情不是冰红茶. You can spell me again, man.
What the?
I can tell you.
What is it? Is that pizza?
Yeah, just like pizza. This is a traditional food.
Okay, let me try that mug.
You can try it.
Damn, you just put all your germs on that shit?
Yeah, a little. Yeah.
Okay. Xinjiang.
Xinjiang. Yeah. You like Xinjiang? That's good.
Hell yeah!
Xinjiang.
Xinjiang with it.
Welcome to China, bro.
You a rapper?
Yeah.
All right, rap.
Kind of.
Come on, rap something for the stream, bro. Oh my God, we at the Great Wall. Oh my God, we're about to go. We here at the Great Wall of China. Yes, sir. What the hell? How'd y'all get here already? Oh my God, Great Wall, let's go.
All right.